Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an appetizer or side dish with this uh, Shishito peppers. This is an East Asian pepper. It can be found in Korea or Japan, especially Japan. They usually cook this as a side dish. So it says on the package right there, it's a mild pepper. It's below like jalapeno pepper. Jalapeno pepper a little hotter than this, but they say in the package right here, 1 in 10 of this pepper in the package right here, it's has some heat to it. So I don't know about that. First thing need to do, I'm gonna cut this open. So it's a simple recipe. Alright. It looks like this right here, and I say it's not as hot as a jalapeno pepper. It's below jalapeno pepper in terms of Scoville. So the first thing you need to do is wash this really good. All right, and so with the paper towel, kind of pat it dry. So make sure it's all dry. All right, now it's ready to cook the. So turn on the medium heat. All right, the pan is getting hot a little bit now, and then put a tablespoon of oil. Well, you can use any oil. I'm using the olive oil. So put a tablespoon of that. Just kind of approximate. All right, now put the pepper in. All right, gonna cook this slowly with low heat. So turn the heat to low. Kind of cook it slowly. So cook it until it start to blister like this right here. Turn color like this and just turn it. All right, turn it to the other side. Yep, just keep rotate the peppers all around so it get the kind of blister like this right here. Kind of, it's kind of dangerous. It start to explode some of them. So be careful when you're cooking this. So make sure that all the pepper are coated with the oil. So keep turning them. Yeah, every few minutes or so, keep turning them. Make sure and I recommend doing this. Oh! So doing this, I recommend you wear some kind of eye protection as the pepper keep exploding. Exploding all the time here. Keep turning. See, you want this kind of color right here. So basically you want to char the pepper, basically char all around. All right, it's I think it's done. Let's plate this up. Drizzle this with soy sauce. You have to serve this when it's hot, when it tastes good. Drizzle it with soy sauce. Sesame seed. That's it. So this is it. This is Shishito pepper side dish recipe. So it's very delicious. It's easy to do. So basically, you can serve this as a side dish or a appetizer. So it's very delicious. Now we have a guest right here, Brian. Brian, taste it and give your opinion how it tastes. Is it spicy at all, or how does it taste? It's hot. Good, right? Would you order it in the restaurant? Would you order this?
I don't really know.
Yeah, that's pretty good, right?
I mean, it's nice, I guess.
Yeah, it's what side dish, like appetizer. That's it. It's not the.
It's kind of flavorless.
Flavorless.
I mean, it's kind of hot. But not really. Yeah, it's not bad.
Need another one.
It's just kind of.
So how would you go from one? How do you rate this? 1 to 10.
Like a 7.
A 7? Oh, that's pretty good. A 7. So would you order this from a menu?
Hey.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, thanks, Brian, for that honest opinion. Let's see. Let me taste one.
Yes, that didn't really taste like anything.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's good.
Very good. I like it. It's not spicy at all, right? Not spicy at all.
I mean, some of them are kind of.
It's like banana pepper.
I guess.
Yeah. All right. All right. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.